In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 6 different websites that will pay you money every single day. As a matter of fact, on this first website, I've actually made sales of a total of 363,000 naira, and my wallet balance is 120,000 naira, 144 sales, unique clicks, and 5,199 clicks. Right? Now, on the second website, I've been able to withdraw total overall paid $126.89 US, right? That's a lot of money, right? And there's a third and a fourth and a fifth and a sixth website. I'm going to be showing you all of these websites and how to actually make money on this particular website every single day. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. Now, before we jump right in, it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video so I actually get the real gist and decide which website is best for you in today's video. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, the work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and actually get the exact same result. That's it, guys. Let me repeat the fact that it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, and it's also important for you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it, guys. Let's go to my laptop screen, guys, and let me show you these 6 websites with which you can actually make money every single day online. So the first website I'm going to be looking at is a website called market22.co, not .com, .co, right? And that's the first link in the video description. So if you click on it, it's going to take you straight to this particular website right now. This is actually Africa's premier affiliate marketplace, so it works everywhere in the world. And all you need to do to get started, come here, put your email address and click on get started to set up an account. This is an affiliate products marketplace and you don't have to pay any money to actually get started, completely free, right? And you can sign up. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can actually set up an account on this particular website. And all you need to do is set up an account, come to marketplace and pick a product to promote. As a matter of fact, I actually have a lot of videos on how to promote your affiliate link, and this video showing up right here will actually take you straight to that video and show you how to promote the products that you choose to promote on this particular platform. And that's exactly how I made the monies that you can see on my dashboard right now on market22.co. On the second website we're going to be talking about is a website called Fiverr.com. Yeah, I know. I've made a lot of videos on Fiverr. You've actually seen them, right? Set up an account on Fiverr, create an account, and 5 products for you to promote. Now, there's an interesting and an uninteresting thing about Fiverr right now, and let me explain. Now, if you come to Fiverr, you can actually make a lot of money, but Fiverr is becoming saturated, and a lot of applications to join Fiverr as a seller is being rejected every single day. But if you are on Fiverr, I've actually made a video showing you guys the easiest gig for you to sell on Fiverr, which are things like comments, things like spokesperson videos, promotional ads videos, stuff, simple things that is not saturated. And this video showed up right here, which take you straight to my video on Fiverr, showing you the right gigs for you to actually sell on Fiverr. And yes, Fiverr will pay you money every single day to actually become a freelancer and sell stuff. There's this course that will help you actually get started on Fiverr as a freelancer, and it's called the Freelance Cash Out Blueprint, right? So the link to that course is going to be in my description box below. So what you need to do is to click on it right now, actually buy that course, and it will help you solve the problem of actually getting an account on Fiverr. And of course, Upwork is also included in that particular course, right? The second website that will pay you money every single day is a website called Timebucks.com, right? And on Timebucks, all you need to do is to click on the link in the video description. It's going to bring you right here. And all you need to do is to come here, click on sign up and set up an account. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Now, Timebucks frowns at using VPN. So do not use VPN to set up an account on Timebucks. Otherwise, you're most likely going to lose your account. Now, I'm going to come here to Timebucks, put in my email, put in my password, select that I'm not a robot, and click on login to actually log into Timebucks, right? And right here, if I come here to payment, right, because I made a lot of withdrawals on this particular website, and I come down right here, you're going to be seeing the fact that I've actually gotten paid a total of $126 on this particular website. Now, how do we make money on this website? We're just going to set up an account, log in, come here to earn, right? I'm going to see that there are simple things that you can do to make money. You can actually do surveys, and these are the surveys that are available right now. If I actually click on this and start and finish this survey, I'm going to be getting 87 cents right now. This one about 5 cents, this one about 2 cents, right? You keep going down and you keep showing the money. This is 60 cents, 24 cents, 36. You can actually go through all of these surveys right now. I'm going to be making money on this particular website right now. Now, the second way to make money is to come here to content, right? You're going to be seeing all these contents. You see this slideshow. You complete this, you're going to be getting $0.001, right? There are slideshows right here that you can complete also, and you make this money, 0.001. Engage. When you engage, you make about 0.005. They also push click right now, And there are tasks right here. You can go to tasks. These are all things that you can do to make money on this particular website right now. You can see my dashboard. I actually made it. So this one you get about 31 cents, right? This one you get about 0.51 cent. This one about $0.044, all of this. You see the instruction of this exact thing that you need to do. Now, if you want me to make a video focusing on each and every of this particular website, let me know in the comment section and let me know the platform that you are most interested in, and I'll actually make video on that platform first. Okay? So you can come here, submission, dispute. Now there's refer, right? But the most important for me, this is where you refer people and you actually make money. But the most interesting one for me personally is this offer walls, where you actually watch videos and get paid by watching videos, right? So this is it right here. There are things that you can do. This is where you get, this is actually where you make a lot of money. This is the magnet miner. You get about $27 here. This one about $18, $12. You see, complete all of this. So just click on it and complete this. Now, if you come here to Fairly, you see a whole lot of offers from Fairly. Now, if you go down from .world, these are all different platforms, right? I think Lootly is the one I love best because you can actually watch videos and get paid with Lootly. This one you get about 5.88 cents. WWE, Ayoba, 3.84 cents, right? You see the amount of money that you make actually using all of these platforms, right? There's Offertolo, there's AdGates Media, right? VPNs, desktop offers, complete the offers and you get paid, right? By doing this. And that's exactly how I made about, let's go back to payment. So you see that there's nothing faked right here. You see the money is here. This is how much I've made over $100 doing this, right? So the next website I'm going to be looking at is a website called Upwork.com. Now, I'm not going to be spending time on Upwork. Upwork is a direct competition to Fiverr.com, right? And if you actually click on that link in this description, I actually get the freelance cash out blueprint. You're actually going to be learning how to surmount both Fiverr and Upwork and succeed as a freelancer. Now the fifth website I'm going to be looking at is a website called SproutGigs.com. Now this website used to be called PicoWorkers.com, but they have rebranded to SproutGigs. There's a whole lot of things that they have to offer right now. Now this actually help you make money instantly, and of course they can pay you money every single day. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, if you come to SproutGigs.com, you can make money with these micro jobs where you click on find jobs right here under micro jobs, right? It's easy. Click on the SproutGigs link in the description. It's going to bring you to their homepage. Set up an account is free, but please do not use a VPN. A VPN will actually get your account deleted. We're going to come here right now. Now, this is the first one here. The first one says SEO plus promote content and engage one time. You get $0.03. Now, here you get, so these are the things that you need to do, right? Very simple things. So to actually find out more about, you just click on each and every one of them, the one that you want to do. If you click, you're going to be seeing the instruction. Now, these countries are excluded, right? If you're from these countries, you're not allowed to actually do this job. This person doesn't want you. So what do you need to do? Clear your browser cookies first. Now, open this link. This is the link that you need to open, right? Open this link. Copy and paste this link in your browser. So everything that you need to do, the instruction, specific instruction is actually here. Now, this is the proof you need to provide for you to actually get paid, right? Then submit your proof, your URL, everything right here. As a matter of fact, if you want me to make a video on any platform at all, let me know in the comment section and I will sit down and make a detailed video on each and every platform, depending on the one that you guys actually want the most. So this is it right here. You can actually make money doing these small micro jobs. Now, the second way to make money on this particular website is to come here where it says gigs, right? Now, come here to browse gigs. You're going to be seeing the fact that people are actually selling gigs, just like you sell on Fiverr and Upwork right here on this particular website. So you can come here and set up your gigs, right? Now, the question you might have, what can I sell? There's a whole lot that you can sell, right? And of course, that video I made about easy Fiverr gigs to sell, let me know in the comment section. And I'll actually make easy Fiverr gigs to sell on SproutGigs. Let me know in the comments if you're interested and I will tell you exactly what you need to sell, right? So you can come here and create your own gig and start selling. Now, look at this guy. This guy is selling, I will create 500 do follow backlinks today offers. He's selling it for $1.05. And look at it right here. He has over 216 reviews, which means that he has made at least $216, right? Selling this. Now, this guy sells about the same price and he has sold over 234, which is about $234 with this. Now, this is it right here. Another person right here, 122 reviews. So these guys are making a lot of money. They're making a killing on this particular platform. And there's no reason why you should not. Look at this guy selling 30 articles, 15 words each without AI for $5. And he has over 592 reviews. 532 multiplied by $5 will give you an idea of how much this guy has actually made using this particular platform. So there's no reason why you cannot do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same results, right? So let me know the one that you are interested in and I'll actually make a video on it, and if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you again, smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Now, last but not the least, it's a website called Sidegig.co. This is it right here, yeah? So on Sidegig, you can actually earn cool cash and earn extra by performing micro tasks and of course, freelancing. Now, so if you come here, you're going to come here to freelancer because that you want to make money. You want to earn money by completing simple tasks online, right? So you can click here and click on join as a freelancer. And of course, you can do easy things like liking tweets, sharing the tweet, posting a tweet, commenting on Facebook, commenting on blog, simple things like that. I can actually make money on this particular website, yes, and it's very easy to do. Now, like I've told you guys in the beginning of this video, let me know the platform that you are most interested in, and I will not hesitate to make a detailed video on those platforms. If I need to make a video on all of them, let me know the ones that you're most interested in, and I will start with that one, then the next, then the next, then the next, then the next, and I'll make a video on all of these. And for you to actually make sure that you actually see that video when I actually post it, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure that you turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop that video, YouTube is going to send you a notification so you can come in and actually watch that video and implement instantly. There's something that we'll call the first timers advantage, right? So I want to say a very big thank you to you for watching this video from beginning up until the very end. Now, if you want to make the big bucks, affiliate marketing is the way to go, and this video showing up right here will show you exactly how to get started. Now, until I see you in my next video, keep waiting, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.